Before you begin, follow standard protocol to sterilize the SafetySuction instrument as any other stainless steel instrument prior to use. Prepare the ultrasonic scaler for use following the manufacturer's instructions. Attach the reinforced end of the multi-use evacuation tube to the SafetySuction instrument. To prevent damage, it is important to connect and disconnect using the reinforced end of the tube, trying not to pull on the flexible portion itself with force. Attach the rigid multi-use evacuation tubing tip to the HBE handle while the handle is positioned in its cradle. When ready for use, insert your instrument tip of choice into the handpiece. Starting at the insert end of the instrument handpiece, slide the base end of the SafetySuction, where the hose is attached, over the top of the ultrasonic handle and down along the handpiece. The SafetySuction clips will grasp the handle firmly, but will allow for easy adjustment by simply sliding backward and forward to expose the ultrasonic tip for complete access and aerosol containment. If you find your SafetySuction is either too loose or too tight on the instrument handle, you may adjust the clips by simply pinching them together or spreading them apart while the handle is removed. Turn on the suction of the HBE connector at the dental unit. Next, activate the ultrasonic scaler. Using the water adjustment valve on the ultrasonic scaler unit, first adjust the water flow to the ultrasonic scaler so that virtually no water escapes from the SafetySuction. Then, using the water adjustment valve on the ultrasonic scaler, gradually increase the water flow until a fine mist is present. This can be adjusted according to the type of procedure being performed or the type of ultrasonic insert being used. You can use a saliva ejector to remove any other minimal amount of water that may collect in the patient's mouth. First, for the SafetySuction itself, disconnect SafetySuction from the multi-use evacuation tube and ultrasonic handle. Under running water, use the provided cleaning brush to clean and remove any debris inside the SafetySuction. SafetySuction may either be placed into an ultrasonic directly or in an instrument cassette that is placed in an ultrasonic. SafetySuction is also 100% autoclavable. To clean your multi-use evacuation tube, flush the HBE line through the multi-use evacuation tube with dental vacuum line cleaner, according to manufacturer directions. The multi-use evacuation tube is not autoclavable.